In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage events in Monday.com, an invaluable tool for organizing and streamlining your event planning processes. So let's dive right in. First, we begin by creating an events board. From your Monday.com workspace, simply click on Add and then select New Board. Name your new board something intuitive, like Event Management or Company Events. You'll be given the option to start from scratch, or you can choose an existing template. Search for event planning if you'd like to explore preset structures that might suit your needs. Once you have your board, it's time to add essential columns to help organize every detail of your events. Think about what information you'll need, such as dates, locations, notes on attendees, and operations details. Ensure your columns reflect this information to maintain a clear and structured overview. Enhancing visual management of your events is easy with Monday.com's tools. Consider adding different views for better visualization. The calendar view allows you to see all your events in date order, helping you manage your timeline effectively. To access this feature, click on Add View and then select Calendar. Similarly, the timeline view is perfect for managing multi-day events with a bird's eye view, and the dashboard view can combine charts and workloads, keeping progress in line. Automation is a powerful feature that takes your event management up a notch by performing tasks without manual intervention, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Head over to Automations and click on Add New Automation. You can set up alerts, like when date arrives, notify someone, which serves as a timely reminder. You might opt to notify the team whenever a task status changes to done, keeping everyone in the loop. Automate adding events to Outlook or Google Calendar to sync schedules seamlessly. Now, let's talk about integrating with your calendar. This step ensures that your Monday.com schedule stays in perfect alignment with your regular calendar. To sync, simply click on the Integrate icon, which looks like a puzzle piece, and search for Outlook or Google Calendar. You can choose an integration recipe such as when a date arrives, create an event in Outlook/Google Calendar. This integration ensures all events show up neatly in your calendar. Dashboards are another excellent resource for tracking these setups. You initiate a dashboard by clicking on New Dashboard, then start adding widgets according to the information you want to track, such as calendars for upcoming events or workload widgets to see the distribution of tasks among team members. As you're executing these plans, remember the importance of collaboration with your team. Within Monday.com, you can add updates, mention teammates to tag important participants, and upload relevant files like checklists and guest lists right into your event items, ensuring everything stays in one convenient location. Finally, after each event, take the time to analyze and review what happened. Change the task statuses to completed and consider adding a feedback form or post-event checklist to collect valuable insights. Also, track time and costs by utilizing the numbers or formula columns, which can give you a detailed report of your resources following an event. And there you have it. These comprehensive steps will help you manage every event smoothly within Monday.com. Happy planning!